Why Brits are racing to secure this solar advantage. Before April 2025, the UK government has made solar panels more affordable for millions of Brits by reducing the VAT to 0%. What's happening with solar in 2025? The VAT on solar panels in the UK has been cut to 0% by the government. Savings on solar panels have increased to hundreds of pounds. Solar panels are highly effective even in bad weather. UK homeowners may not realise how easily they can save on their energy bills. With modern technology, panels rely on daylight and not on hours in the sun. They'll easily help to also slash your energy bills up to 70%. The cost of solar panels has seen a remarkable drop of over 30% in recent years, substantially lowering the initial investment for individuals throughout the UK. Benefits: save up to 70% on your electricity bills immediately. Increase your savings by storing excess solar energy and selling it back to the grid. Solar panels can increase the market value of your home by $90,000. Beat rising power prices. Your panels will pay for themselves in less than 10 years.